Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So we're looking at two Weber grills, huh? The Traveler B0, B9, V9H8XZ, and the Genesis E-435, B09 MV3TY8D. Big difference in price right off the bat.
Yeah, the Traveler's around $450, while the Genesis is about $1,400. That's a serious jump. What are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, size is a huge factor. The Traveler is all about portability. It's only 32 pounds and designed to fold up and fit in a car trunk. Dimensions are around 42x 43x 37 inches.
Makes sense. The Genesis is a beast at 220 pounds, and dimensions are roughly 35x 30x 31 inches. Definitely not moving that around easily. And that's a big difference in weight.
Exactly. The Genesis is meant to be a backyard centerpiece. It's got 4 burners compared to the Traveler's single burner.
Ah, so more cooking space and better heat control with the Genesis? That's a big plus if you're grilling for a crowd regularly.
Absolutely. The Genesis has a sear zone and even a side burner for sauces. The Traveler is simpler. One knob controls the temperature.
I see. The Genesis also boasts Weber-crafted compatibility, meaning you can swap out grates for different cooking surfaces. That sounds pretty versatile.
True, the Traveler is more basic in that regard, but its simple setup is a big advantage. It's designed to be ready to grill in seconds with its one-handed setup.
Good point. If you are mostly doing burgers and dogs, the Traveler does have a built-in thermometer, which is handy.
Both have tool hooks and side tables, so that's a plus for convenience. Also, the Genesis has a lower customer review score of 4.3, while the Traveler has a 4.6.
I'm curious about durability. They're both Webers, but is the Genesis built to last longer, given the price?
Both have similar warranties, but the Genesis uses alloy steel, while the Traveler is porcelain-coated steel.
Okay, so it boils down to portability versus power and features, and the Genesis has a grill locker for tool storage.
Pretty much. If you need a grill for camping, tailgating, or small spaces, the Traveler is the way to go. For a full-on backyard grilling experience, the Genesis is the better choice. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.